and beyond. Now, this even as many low-income countries are facing uneven economic growth, surging debt, climate challenges, and geopolitical conflict. The association seeks to spur resilient and inclusive economic recovery, as well as to ensure job growth for future generations. Take a look.
Between the high-income countries, middle-income, and low-income countries in order to channel resources to low-income countries to accelerate their development. So in this, it helps the governments of the world's poorest countries to improve the conditions of life for 1.5 billion people. And in this fractured geopolitical landscape, it really embodies the spirit of effective cooperation, enabling these higher income countries to join forces with lower income countries to accelerate and finance their support. And I want to clarify one thing, that the country-based model on which IDA is built supports national development in line with the sovereign priorities that each country chooses for itself.
This summit will climax in the adoption of what we have called Nairobi IDA Communique, summarizing deliberations and informing the IDA 21 replenishment drive. The Nairobi IDA Communique will summarize the deliberations in Nairobi and serve as a platform to inform the IDA 21 replenishment on the urgent needs of our countries and our development priorities. It will build upon the deliberations at our recent Africa Union Climate Summit and the Africa.
Now, in a bid to enhance customer experience and satisfaction, Huawei